light time. The following is a special weather statement. Rain changing to snow. Rain is changing to snow for the Brainerd Lakes, Leech Lake, and Lake Mille Lacs areas.
All right, well, here we are, fishing opener 2020, right?
It's cold.
It's cold, it's snowing.
Yeah.
See that lovely snow? Wow. It is snowing. The fish are biting. We've put a bunch of fish on our hooks today. Caught a bunch of bass, some pike, sunny, rock bass. So, come on. This is Minnesota. Minnesota. Good fishing.
Once the precipitation becomes snow, it produces very poor visibilities and a quick coating of wet, sloppy snow. Be extra cautious if you will be out driving. These are the noon observations for Saturday, May 9th. At Brainerd, heavy snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile.
There we go.
The temperature was 34 degrees and the relative humidity 88%. The wind was east at 6 miles per hour. The pressure was 30.07 inches and falling.
It's not bad.
Maybe that's not bad, but the motor is.
I know. Nice little bass. A little tropical music here.
What?
Tropical music. It's balmy out here.
It's just about the opposite of tropical right now.
We're gonna catch them. We've already caught a few.
Bird or something.
Yeah, right?
Balloons.
You couldn't fly that well.
What is Whoa.
Nope.
Huge pike.
No, it's a nice bass. There we go.